One way to manage your work in Outlook is to create tasks. Just to give you a quick example, my boss has said to me, Paul, buy a new laptop for me. So what I'm going to do now is grab the email to the task icon. And even before I save this task, I can start changing the subject. I can start changing the content and put some more notes in about my particular device. Depending on the task, I can make it recurring. I can start to add some categories. I can make this private so nobody else has access to it. I can make it high or low importance. Let's close the task down. And can you see now on my task list, it has the instructions to buy me a new laptop. However, there's another couple of options for you. You can right-click the task and drag it. The first one will copy it just as text, which we just did a few seconds ago. The second one allows you to copy it with the attachment, which we can see here. Let's try that. When I go back to my tasks, it now has the same item, but it has the email as an attachment along with the associated file. The third option might be something for you to consider. This is to right-click it, drag it to your task, and move the whole thing across. And I've just moved it across, and go back, and we can see we've done that as well. And that's why I loved Microsoft. If you've enjoyed these tips, please feel free to follow me on social media and maybe share it with your colleagues. Thank you very much.